Hello. For this week's vlog, I again have no idea what I wanted to do. So we're just gonna do a pack with me to go home vlog. It's currently Friday. It's also Halloween. Happy Halloween. I've been sick the last 2 days. And I'm honestly kind of homesick. So I'm staying and going out tonight just to have some fun with some friends for Halloween, and then going home tomorrow morning. So yeah, there's that. And then I have to be back by like 3 o'clock on Sunday, so super quick trip home. Tomorrow, wake up. Someone's blowing up my phone right now. Yeah. As you can see, I'm very scatterbrained right now. Like, incredibly scatterbrained. I kind of need to get my act together, but it's fine, we're fine. Ooh, I'm also very sleepy. What else is going on? Yeah, I've been sick the last 2 days. It's Halloween right now. I'm so excited to start decorating for Christmas. I'm actually gonna take down my Halloween birds right now. Say goodbye. They're going home. The main reason I'm going home is because my laptop is broken and I need to take it to a Best Buy, and the closest Best Buy is the one in my hometown. So yeah. What do I want to wear? I'm going through it. Like, this is literally how my brain feels right now. I need to do laundry. I need to take the trash out. I need to do dishes. I need to go to the gym still. I basically just need to get my act together. And I need to do it before 8 p.m. I also need to pack. I'm gonna try to pack stuff to take it home. Like stuff that I don't need anymore. I think I'm gonna take home this bag of stuff because it's all stuff from my ex-boyfriend. I probably should just take it home and put it in my box that I have for him. But at the same time, do I really want to do that? No. Yeah, I don't know what to do anymore. I fear I'm just rambling. And yeah, welcome to what it looks like inside my brain right now. And yeah, I think I'm gonna call it good for this week's vlog because this is all the brain power I have. I'm so sorry.